Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 4, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 4. This time I'm reviewing the Cyber Edition from a company called Latercase. If you don't know what Latercase is, then I don't know where you've been, but this is actually from Unbox Therapy Lou. He created his own case company, and I just wanted to try it out for the Z Fold 4. Yes, it is made out of Kevlar. It's supposed to be like 5 times stronger than steel. Super thin. It says impossibly thin phone case. If you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. You gotta like the presentation. Also down here it has more about it. Now with this case, it is super thin and it's probably gonna fit really tight. But here you go. I mean, it is super thin, but it's still supposed to protect your phone. Now it does have a strip here, which I will peel off. Any strips in here? Nope. But you gotta like the presentation. Let me put this up. Like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything fits well. How does everything line up? Can your wireless charge with the case on there? And just the overall feel. Now I know one thing, that this will not add bulk to your phone. I mean, because there's no way of adding bulk. There's nothing there to it. But I do like how the camera cutouts are covered like that. That's pretty cool. Then you get lip protection. You don't get a lot, but you get some. No hinge protection. But it just feels cool. It has like this little texture with the Kevlar fiber thing there, down there. It is open with the volume rockers and the power button. Everything lines up at the bottom. Everything lines up at the top. When you open it up, you don't get really any protection on the lip. So if you lay it down, good luck. The USB Type-C charging port is open. And there is the top of it. Now the fit is good. Yeah, this is not coming off. And I do like how they have that one strip. So if you want to pick this case up, I will have links in the description. So does it add bulk? Nope. Will it protect your phone? Yes, it's supposed to protect your phone. This is just like a thin case. I mean, you don't want to add bulk to your big phone. You rock this case out. It will protect your back and also the, the front, and gives you a little bit extra grip too. What y'all think about it? Can you wireless charge? I shouldn't even do this anymore, but even Rocky on there, it's still, you can wireless charge. But this is definitely a nice case though. Definitely a nice case. I'm just trying to see at the bottom how loose it is to get off. And it fits pretty good even at the top. What y'all think? Y'all let me know. Look at it. No hinge protection, so I know that's a lot of deal breakers for a lot of people. But if you want to pick this up, look for the links in the description. You can definitely pick it up. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.